All right, this is AP World 7-Day Challenge. We're on day 2. So at this point now you've scored all of the key figures and you have the top 50 highlighted. Actually, I need one more here because the header is also there. So your top 50 terms, your top 50 people will be highlighted. And so, you know, what it should be is that most of the ones in green are ones and twos. And these are the ones that you have like self-identified as that you need to study. You're not sure who they are. And all of these people could, appear on the exam. So these are people that you really want to become familiar with. And then you can see, the threes and stuff are down here. Like, I don't need to touch those because I totally know who they are. So I'm just going to use the green. Okay, so in this task today, the first thing you're going to do is to build a Quizlet set. Okay, so I've logged into Quizlet.com. You can do this on your phone as well. So I just went ahead and logged in. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and make a free account. And then once you're logged in, click Create Study Set. Okay, so it'll pop up here if you've never made one before. This is what it looks like. And so basically, I told you to title it like this: AP World Challenge 50 Must Know Figures. Okay, so just go ahead and title it like that. And then I'm going to make your life super easy. So, you could go through and type in all 50 terms and keep adding them. Or if you click Import, and then you just come over here and highlight your 50 terms that you want to put over there. Just Command C, Control C, paste them in. Check that out. Everything is already in. So yeah, that's like hours of your time that are now saved. So everything is set. Your study set is ready to go. So that took you, I don't know, 2 minutes. Okay, so you'll just press create, and once you do that, you're gonna see, oh, you gotta choose definition language. Oh, okay. Well, that's how you fix that if that happens to you too. Okay, so just click create, and then you'll have your terms. And so again, if you don't know how to use Quizlet, you're going to be using this. Yeah, so it tells you can share it. You're going to be using this all week. So I just want to like quickly show you. There's a bunch of different games that you can play. So like these 3 over here are just like straight up games. This one you kind of have to be with other people, but it's actually pretty fun. And then gravity and match. My students really liked match. It's like a timed thing where you got to like put things together. Right, you got to like combine them, and see how it's timing me here, so it's kind of stressful. So that's something you might like to do. You also can just like learn them, just go through regular flashcards. You can do writing and spelling tests. You won't have to know how to spell things on the AP World exam, but it's a good way to like jog your memory. And they can also just like give you a quick test. So go through them, play whichever ones that you like the best. Get the app on your phone so you can do this just kind of whenever you have time. Okay, you also, it kind of gives you some nice things here, like if you don't know how to pronounce a word.
Abbas the Great, a Safavid leader who rebuilt the Safavid Empire after the Battle of Calderon.
That's kind of cool. Like, have her read them to you. That's one way to learn. Cool. So now what you have is a deck based on the 20 people that you know the least. Sweet.